Salts. This is the first lecture. Acid-based salt is the class 10 science chapter. So here is the notes you can see. So it says blue to red equals acid. If it turns blue litmus paper to red, it is an acid. And they also release ions. H plus ions are released by acids. OH minus ions are released by bases. Turmeric, if acted upon by an acid, turns yellow, and turmeric acted upon by base turns reddish brown. Questions come like curry stain has been I'll show you. Curry stains has been dropped on a t-shirt. Then why does it after leave it? Odor. Olfactory indicators are vanilla essence, clove oil, onion. Base/acid plus metal will give us salt and hydrogen gas. Examples are zinc and sodium hydroxide. 2NaOH plus Zn will give us 2Na2ZnO2 plus H2. Na2ZnO2 is sodium zincate. Metal carbonate slash hydrogen carbonate plus acid will give us salt plus CO2 plus H2O. Neutralization reaction it is called. CaCO3 plus 2HCl will give us CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2 will evolve. Base plus acid will give us salt plus water. This is called neutralization reaction, as because two opposite things like base and acid are mixed each other, so that's why it forms salt and water. Metal oxide plus acid will give us salt plus water. Metal oxide is always basic in nature. Ions of acid and base conduct electricity. Ionization only in aqueous solution. While diluting, mixing of acid and base with water, you can remember it by a short trick, WTA. Wait a minute once. Yes, WTA. Water to acid equals accident. Acid plus metal will give us Zn plus H2SO4 will give us ZnSO4 plus H2. Let's shift. pH among daily life. Gastric juices pH is 1.2, blood equals 7.4, mom means milk of magnesia equals to 10. Body range of pH is 7 to 7.8. Less than 5.6 equals acid in the humidity, and for acidity antacid is used, magnesium hydroxide MgOH whole twice. 2 to decay when pH of mouth lower than 5.5. Enamel is made up from calcium hydroxyapatite. Seawater equals sodium chloride. Rock salt, why it becomes rock salt? Because large crystals of salt become brown due to impurities. Chloralkali process, Cl2 will be produced in anode and H2 will be produced in cathode. Sodium hydroxide, chloralkali process, by chloralkali process it becomes sodium hydroxide. Electricity plus sodium chloride will give us sodium hydroxide. NaCl plus H2 will give us NaOH plus Cl2 plus H2. Chlorine gas plus slaked lime will give us bleaching powder. CaOH whole twice plus Cl2 will give us CaCl2 plus H2O. Uses: germ-free water oxidizing agent. Baking soda NaHCO3, washing soda Na2CO3, caustic soda NaOH, and POP plaster of Paris equals CaSO4 dot half H2O. Gypsum equals CaSO4 dot 2 H2O. Let's turn over. We have baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaCl plus H2O will give us plus CO2 will NaCl plus H2O plus CO2 plus NH3 will give us NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. This NaHCO3 is used for baking soda. Ammonia used for as baking soda. Uses are antacid, soda acid, fire extinguisher. NaHCO3 on heating will give us Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Na2CO3 is the washing soda. Washing soda is also known as basic salt, which is done by recrystallization of sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 plus 10H2O will give us Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Uses: removal of hardness of water, CuSO4, used for heating. After heating, it becomes blue. Use removal of hardness of water, borax making, cleaning, making glass, soap, paper. Heat equals loss of water of crystallization. Plaster of Paris, gypsum plus heat at 373 Kelvin equals loses water, becomes CaSO4 dot half H2O, which is calcium sulfate, hemihydrate. There are uses of healing bones. Caustic soda equals to NaCl plus H2O will give us NaOH plus H2 plus Cl2. And here the chapter ends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the live and bye.